and
Ellie
from Sister Approved. And today what we're going to be making is sugar cookie fruit pizzas. And so what we'll need is any type of sugar cookie dough, a baking sheet.
You'll need cream cheese, frosting, and any type of fruit you would like to put. And so today we are just using strawberries. So let's get started.
So we're going to be taking these out of the package and start putting these on the sheet.
So now we put them all on the baking sheet, and let's just put them in the oven now. So,
We followed the instructions on the back of the cookie wrapper. We plated them and we poured the cream cheese container into this bowl, and we put some of this almond flavoring into it.
and so now we're just gonna frost and put some strawberries on. So let's do that.
So this is how they turned out.
And now we're just gonna try one.
Those are so good! Subscribe and comment down below what your favorite fruit is.
See you next Wednesday. Bye!